So hello everyone. So in this video I am going to explain you about the primitive types and non-primitive types of data type in JavaScript. So there are seven primitive types of data types in JavaScript, and let's see this. So what we are going to study, and for this I am going to use the replit.com, right? So first we are going to understand about the primitive primitive types of primitive types of data type in JS. Okay, so there are, as I said, that there are seven primitive types of data type. So how you can remember this? So for this, you can use this formula NMVBSSQ, right? So what this stands for? Let's see this. These are the seven primitive data types initials like this. So the first N is stands for null. Next second N stands for number. Third one stands for boolean. Fourth one stands for big int, and the S stands for string, and the second S stands for symbol, and the last one is undefined, right? So let's see this how we can define all this. So we can write let a equals to null. We can define the null like this. Let b equals to uh, number. So there will be a number. So let's see, define as 55. Okay. Now let's see is equals to, there will be a boolean. So boolean can be either true or false. I'm taking true as for now, right? It can also be false. Let b is equals to, now another b stand for the big int, and it is defined as big int, and in the bracket you need to pass it like 100, right? So you can, like this, you can define the big int. Now the next thing is a string. So how you can define a string is E stand for now string. So for defining a string, you need to put anything in the double quote, and like this is string. Okay. Now the next thing is let, and another one is symbol. So symbol is defined as anything which is inside the bracket will be as defined as symbol, right? Uh, Demo. Okay, and the last one is undefined. Okay, so undefined can also be defined as like this. Let anything, let y, and this. So once we will console log this, then we will see this. So what we have to do is just write console.log, and in this, if we are going to pass y, we will see the result is as, let's see, matrix control into undefined. So you can see this, if you are writing like this also gives an undefined. So by default, when we declare the value in any variable, we didn't define a variable, so it will define as so it will give the value as undefined, right? So now there is other way that if any of the variables defined, and what is the type of the variable is, we use type of operator, right? So let's see this. Console.log, and in the bracket we need to just pass type of, let's check the type of b, right? and run the code. Now you can see this is a big int. Here we have defined it t as a big int, so it is giving as a big int, right? Similarly, we can also check the type of another variable, like let's see the f, run the code, and it's giving as a symbols. Okay, that's nice. So now these are the seven primitive types of data types are there. Now the next thing is there is a non-primitive data type is also there in JavaScript, that is non-primitive type of sorry type non-primitive data type data which is it is an object. So now the here question comes that how we can create an object, right? So for defining a writing an object like this, we can define the object like this: const, suppose obj, okay, object equals to anything into the parentheses, and the value can be defined as in the key value pair. Like suppose I'm creating a student, so student will have a name, right? And the name could be Rajesh, okay, and he may be in the class. He may be in the class 10, okay, and he may be in the section he may be in the sections. Sorry, I just missed out a comma. So he may be in the section suppose A, right? So this is how we can create the object. So let's see this console dot log, how we can get this values, right? And simply say obj, and let's run it. See, we can see this, the object is being printed here, right? But now let's do this. Okay. Right. Now it is an object. Okay. So how we can there is also we can do the addition. We can add the value to the object and also fetch the value from the object. Let's see this how we can add a value to the object. Suppose there is an object obj. In the parentheses, we need to pass the key name, that is, and it's maybe what you call it is in the class and subject. Let's subject. Let's pass the subject and equals to, and what is the subject will be, suppose Hindi, maths, and so on. Okay, and okay, and after that, and after this, if we are going to print the object, see what will be the result. So let's run it. Now here we can see this the subject in the math is already active, right? Now in how many ways we can fetch the object, right? So basically there are two ways to fetch the object values in the JavaScript. So let's see this. The first one is by using the parentheses. And first one is by using the parentheses. Right? Let's see. Console dot log in the bracket. Since we have created an object, so object, and let's see this class. Right? A class should be in the double quote. Okay. So in this way we can get the class. So see, yes, we are able to get the class. Now the next thing is in the second way of fetching the object value, right? So we can, by using the dot operator, we can also fetch the value. Like let's see, console dot log, and since we are having the object with the name, object dot, let's just fetch the name, right? So let's see, it will now it will print the name of the object which are having RGs, right? Let's see, yes. The object name has been printed. So hope you have liked the content, and if you like the content, please make sure you hit the like button and do subscribe it. Thank you, and let's see you in the next video.